fascinated by AI but feeling overwhelmed? I have a good news for you. DeepLearning.ai, available on Coursera, is offering a set of courses that will teach you how to effectively use AI. If you're interested in tackling real-world problems, for example, climate change and other environmental problems, consider AI for Good Specialization program offered by Deep Learning. This program is a combination of 3 different courses: AI for climate change, AI for disaster management, and AI for public health. In this program, you will learn how to develop frameworks for designing, leading, and contributing to AI solutions. You'll also delve into time series analysis, data modeling techniques, missing data interpretation, short and long-term impacts on the economy and the community, and get to work on existing case studies. The best part is you do not need to have any prior knowledge of AI or environmental sciences before starting this course. These courses are beginner-friendly, 100% online, with flexible deadlines for you to study at your own pace. Dr. Robert Monarch is teaching all these courses. He's an expert in machine learning. Here you can see the syllabus and the details on topics being taught. You can choose to do only one course, or you can choose to do all 3. Now comes the most important point. You can do this course for free. All you have to do is apply for financial aid, where you will be asked a couple of questions that you need to answer accordingly, and then wait to get accepted. I personally have done 3 to 4 courses from Coursera, and I have applied for financial aid, and I have successfully received all of them. So why not take the first step towards using AI and start your learning journey today? Also, if you think this course is not attractive for you and you want to study AI but not in the field of environmental sciences, there are other courses as well. You have to go to Coursera, type AI in the search box, and then here you go. These are the options that you get from different organizations, including IBM. So just choose the one that attracts you and start learning AI. I have a couple of other videos on AI. One is Notion AI. It's an amazing note-taking tool, so check out the video here. And there are other tools for research that will be very helpful for students, so check that out. Until my next one, bye-bye.